Hello. So today I'm going to show you how to make Koeksisters. You will need 2 cups of flour in a bowl, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, two tablespoons of butter. Mix it together using the rubbing in method. Half a cup of plain yogurt or sour milk. Add another half cup of milk and then mix well. Then place the dough on a floured surface and knead it well until it's smooth for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now you're going to want to leave the dough to set, so place it in a greased bowl and cover it with cling wrap for at least an hour or more. After that, you're going to want to section it into 8 or 4 sections depending on how big you would like your Koeksisters to be. Cut each section into 3 parts and separate. Then you can form them into plaits or whatever shapes you like, but obviously the traditional is in plaits. They should look like this. You're going to need some desiccated coconut. Put it in a plate or bowl, because this is where you will dip your Koeksisters in after you have cooked them. You'll also need some golden syrup, or you can make the syrup yourself with brown sugar and water. You're going to want to pour this into another bowl because this is also for dipping. The oil must be heated before you place the Koeksisters in, like I've done. I should have really let it heat up a bit more, but you'll be able to see it start bubbling. It should really be bubbling the minute you put it in. Please be careful when you place them in, because the oil should be piping hot, and you can do it in a deep fried pan with more oil, but I just wanted to try and be a bit healthier and obviously not have it soaking in oil. Fry until they are golden brown. Once cooked, you can dip them into the syrup. As you can see, mine fell apart, but I realized this was because I didn't drain out the oil first before I put them in the syrup. So that's the trick, for them not to separate. The first ones I did, the first 3 I did, you'll find that, yeah, they're in pieces, but you're still gonna eat them anyway, so what's the story? After you've dipped them in the golden syrup, then you can dip them in the coconut. Obviously, if you don't like coconut, you don't have to do that, but I love them. I'm also going to eat these myself with my husband, so I can use my fingers, but obviously if you are doing this for someone else, I would recommend using utensils. This is my second attempt with the next batch of 3, where I drain out the oil first before I dip them in the syrup, which made all the difference. They did not separate. They came out pretty well, I might say so myself, and then put them into coconut. Can you see the difference? No pieces, they're all together. And there you have it, my finished product. Enjoy your Valentines. You could make this for your hubby, or you could make this for your wife, or your girlfriend, or your boyfriend. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene. Please like and leave a comment. Tell me if you've made it and how it came out. And I'll see you in my next video.